Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Office Oasis is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for transforming any workspace into a haven of productivity and comfort, especially for those who spend long hours at their desks or are looking to elevate their home office aesthetics and functionality. This innovative product line aims to address the common pain points of a cluttered, uninspiring, or uncomfortable work environment by offering a curated selection of high-quality, stylish, and ergonomic accessories designed to optimize your daily grind and foster a more positive and efficient work experience. Number 5. Office Chair Cylinder Replacement with Removal Tool. Struggling to replace your chair's gas lift? Our product includes a unique removal tool, making the process simple. We guide you every step of the way. Don't buy a new chair when yours starts sinking. Revive it by replacing the cylinder. You'll receive a top-quality part, a removal tool, instructions, and a money-back guarantee. Designed to fit almost any office or gaming chair. It features a standard piston shaft and column diameter, ensuring compatibility. Experience superior durability with our Class 4 gas lift. It's built to last, supporting up to 1,000 pounds without failing, unlike cheaper alternatives. We stand by the quality of our parts. If it ever fails, leaks, or sinks, we'll send you a brand new replacement, no questions asked. Our warranty never expires. What we like? This is the only cylinder replacement kit on Amazon that includes a dedicated removal tool, making installation a breeze. It's designed to save you money by reviving your existing chair instead of buying a new one. If you're tired of struggling with broken chair parts and want a long-term, reliable solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The Office Oasis replacement gas cylinder also included tools and instructions to help remove the old cylinder. The video and printed instructions were crystal clear, and the whole process of removing and installing took a seamless 15 minutes. The removal kit was a godsend. I had struggled for hours before giving up previously, this time the whole thing was off in minutes. Number 4. Office Chair Heavy-Duty Gas Cylinder Replacement Kit. Is your favorite chair losing its lift? Our replacement kit is designed to bring it back to life with ease. Everything you need is included for a simple and effective upgrade. Experience exceptional support with our heavy-duty Class 4 hydraulic piston. It's built to last and can support up to 1,000 pounds, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Designed to fit most office, desk, and gaming chairs with removable cylinders. It's a versatile solution for many popular brands, ensuring a great fit for your needs. Easily adjust your chair's height with a piston stroke that extends from 10.6 to 15.3 inches. Enjoy smooth 360-degree rotation for optimal comfort and positioning. Don't replace your entire chair when it starts to sink. This cost-effective gas lift cylinder is the perfect alternative to restore your chair's functionality and save you money. This kit includes not only the high-quality gas cylinder but also all the necessary tools and gloves for a hassle-free installation. Get your chair back in top condition quickly. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for an easy installation, including all necessary tools and instructions. It boasts a heavy-duty Class 4 cylinder that can support up to 1,000 pounds, ensuring durability and stability. If you're looking for a robust and comprehensive solution to fix your chair's height adjustment issues and want peace of mind with a high weight capacity, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Office Oasis is a fantastic addition to any workspace, offering a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Its thoughtful design incorporates multiple compartments for organizing office supplies, keeping your desk clutter-free and promoting a more productive environment. The durable construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any professional seeking to enhance their workspace. One of the standout features of the Office Oasis is its modular design, allowing for customizable configurations to suit individual needs. Whether you need to store pens, notebooks, or other essentials, this organizer adapts to your workflow. The sleek, modern look complements various office decors, adding a touch of sophistication while maintaining practicality. Its compact footprint is ideal for smaller desks without compromising on storage capacity. Number 3. Lifelong Original Office Chair Wheels. Tired of worn-out chair wheels? Ours are built to last with industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane. They're designed for long-term daily use, providing stable support for your chair. Say goodbye to desk chair mats. These replacements glide smoothly over any surface, including hardwood, tile, and carpet, without scratching or damaging your floors. Upgrade most office chairs with these casters. Just double-check your stem size before ordering to ensure compatibility. Please note they are not compatible with IKEA chairs. Experience a quiet revolution in office comfort. Our roller casters ensure a silent, smooth glide, eliminating the squeaks and rattles of old, cheap wheels. These casters are engineered for strength, supporting up to 650 pounds. They are built from robust materials to handle various conditions, offering reliable support for your daily activities. These exceptional chair wheels have even been featured on CNN. Upgrade to a reliable, smooth, and quiet rolling experience for your office chair. What we like. These casters are designed to protect your floors, making chair mats obsolete, and they glide silently, eliminating annoying squeaks. Constructed with industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane, they offer reliable, long-term support. If you have hardwood or delicate flooring and want a smooth, quiet, and damage-free rolling experience, these are the perfect upgrade. What people say. The Office Oasis is a fantastic addition to any workspace, offering a blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Its thoughtful design incorporates multiple compartments for organizing office supplies, keeping your desk clutter-free and promoting a more productive environment. The durable construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any professional seeking to enhance their workspace. One of the standout features of the Office Oasis is its modular design, allowing for customizable configurations to suit individual needs. Whether you require more space for writing or additional storage for electronics, this desk can adapt. The integrated cable management system is another practical element, neatly tucking away wires and preventing tangles, contributing to a clean and organized setup. Number 2. Oasis, Modern Desert Homes. Discover a world of architectural innovation with Oasis. Explore modern desert homes designed to harmonize with their unique environments. These homes redefine desert living, blending cutting-edge design with the raw beauty of arid landscapes. Experience the future of sustainable architecture. Each residence is a testament to thoughtful design, integrating seamlessly with the surrounding desert. Find inspiration in structures that respect and celebrate nature. Journey across continents as we showcase stunning examples of desert homes. See how diverse cultures and climates inspire unique architectural solutions. Oasis presents a curated collection that captures the essence of modern desert living. It's more than a home, it's a sanctuary designed for the modern world. What we like. This product offers a unique design inspired by modern desert homes from around the world. It brings a touch of global sophistication and contemporary style to your living space. If you're looking to add a distinctive and aesthetically pleasing element to your home decor that stands out from the ordinary, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Contains some interesting interior options, so worth a detailed look. A gorgeous book of unique architecture, in places you would not expect, wonderfully researched and described. The photos and text are mainly about the interiors. There's tons of inspiration to be had in this book, and the author writes in an informed yet still conversational tone. Number 1. Lifelong office chair wheels replacement. Tired of worn-out chair wheels? Upgrade to our heavy-duty casters, built with industrial-grade steel and durable polyurethane. They're designed to support up to 650 pounds, ensuring long-lasting performance. Say goodbye to office chair mats. These wheels are engineered to glide smoothly over any surface, including hardwood, laminate, vinyl, tile, and carpet, without scratching or damaging your floors. Upgrade your office chair with ease. Our casters are designed to fit most standard rolling chairs, offering a perfect replacement solution. Please check your stem size before ordering to ensure compatibility. Experience a whisper-quiet office environment. Our swivel casters provide a smooth, silent glide, eliminating the annoying squeaks and rattles of old, poorly made wheels. Built with high-strength materials, these casters offer exceptional stability and durability. They can handle heavy loads and provide reliable mobility for your office and everyday life. What we like. These replacement casters are engineered to glide smoothly and quietly across all floor types without scratching or damaging them, eliminating the need for a chair mat. Built with high-strength materials and precision ball bearings, they offer excellent stability and can support up to 650 pounds. If you prioritize floor safety, a quiet environment, and a reliable upgrade for your office chair, these wheels are a great fit. What people say. The product is a great addition to any office space, providing a touch of personality and fun. It's well made and durable, ensuring it will last for a long time. The design is clever and unique, sparking conversation and bringing smiles to people's faces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.